Close-up of blue and gold macaw parrot. Pandemonium of sun conure parrot. Sun conure parrot resting on a branch. Sun conure parrots resting on a branch. Sweet colorful bird parrot. 3 macaws on branch.
Our country Bangladesh, our nature is unique, beautiful, and our Sundarbans is twice as beautiful. My Sundarbans yellow, blue, red color birds are blue and gold macaw parrot close up. Sankanu's parrots Pandemonium. Sun parrot resting on a branch. Sun parrot resting on a branch. Sweet. Dear friends, don't forget to come to our country. Come to our country, enjoy the beauty of our country Bangladesh, our sister Sundarbans.
Welcome Bangla Topic channel. Subscribe, bell icon, click, comment, share.